Yeah, this fridge leaks every day. I mean puddles. You need to see all the water that's here. And I tell the super, and he doesn't do nothing. He keeps on telling me to put paper towels and it'll be okay. Look at this. Yes, soaked. There. I just come into the kitchen and it's completely flooded with water. These towels are lifted from of it getting soaking wet with water all the time. Look at this. This is everyday nonsense that I gotta go through. Okay. The water's gonna seep through the wooden floor, and soon there's gonna be a swimming pool downstairs, and I hope there's not a light bulb under this guy's kitchen, because this means to the guy's kitchen. Okay. So this fridge, I've been here 7 years, maybe 8. It leaks every day. I've complained to the super. He keeps on telling me, oh, just throw paper towels on. You know how many, look at all the Bounty rolls that I buy just to throw on this floor. Who's gonna give me the money of me spending on those Bounty rolls that I buy just for this damn floor? Yeah, and I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna put more. This is soaking wet. Gotta get rid of this. Let's get some new paper towels. Here, look at this. This sucks. You gotta go through this crap every day. Okay? And one day the floor is gonna corrode, and the landlord's gonna want to sue me for it. Get out of here. Okay, this is E. Matthews Jet with a leaky refrigerator in my apartment that the super doesn't do nothing about it. Okay, when I came into the kitchen, that was flooded there. Okay, I gotta buy Bounty paper towels by the roll and keep extra napkins because that thing is always leaking. Look at that. I pile up napkins just for that fridge. It's like I'm supporting a fridge. Okay, I'm paying fridge child support. This is what they called it. There's E. Matthews Jet signing out on my fridge child support.